All right. Today we're talking about analysis design for this is Edit Beauty Studios, and the analysis for this you can see this is a makeup company, and they offer makeup services. And for this, what they basically do here is, first of all, they're announcing their classes, and which is the main theme of our design here. The essence of this is the main thing. And then this bulb, this light, that particular light, this light you see here, is trying to give you an eye direction to the upgrade class itself. Then followed by this artifact here, this particular brushes. These are the brushes for this brush. This brush here is trying to tell you a lot. Then this is the date section. That is, and if you notice, there's proximity in between the design. There's proximity here. Look at, if you see the white space, the sense of this white space you see here. This space here is trying to tell you, like, differentiate between the main topic of this design. And this design has been, it's divided into three. One, this is the first part. The second part, which is the date and price tag, which is another category. And then the last but not the least, which you can see, the event, the location, sorry. This is the location. This is the third part. But this are showing you some of the makeup kits which they may be using their powder like that. So in that regard, they will appreciate the client for a very good quality picture base which we can use. And this design, we'll see its alignment base downward. I think this is not in the same line. This is not in the same line. We are supposed to be in the same line with this coming down like this. It's not in the same line, which is wrong. It's not supposed to be so. And if you see anything about this design and you would like to comment, please don't hesitate to comment. Let's see you in the comment section. Update us. Thank you so much, and we'll appreciate, and subscribe for more.